gallery's access programs have meant the absolute world to me. In this world, disabled bodies aren't welcome really, but in this gallery I've always felt welcome and beyond supported.
Our access programs are disability-led and free in a safe and inclusive environment.
Makes me feel calm and relaxed. If I was there in that painting, I smell all different kinds of food, music and dancing.
The art gallery just put its arms around her and said, "You're safe, come and have fun with me." I just watched this tiny little thing explode and just bloom.
I just done a Archibald Prize last year and I am very proud of myself. I love being famous in the art.
So I'm a visual artist with a visual problem. For me, these programs are important. If they didn't exist, I'd be back in darkness.
They gave me access to people in a different world. It kind of gave me a survival tool.
Seeing what I can achieve, proving that to myself has been incredibly confidence-giving. It gives you back your being, your sense of self as an artist.
With your support, we can provide more access to art for all.
I just have no words to describe it, but I'm very happy.